Hi guys, welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today I'm going to be unboxing a Kindle. So this Kindle is from Amazon. It's white from the out and it's and the screen's paper white. As you see, it's not like a usual, so it's paper white. So let's get unboxing. It's trash. Now this is how it comes. It says that this is the Kindle. So as you can see, this is the Kindle, and the on and off button, on button and charging port. There's that, and here's the cable. So right now I'm gonna put the cable and I'm just here for right there. So let's open it. Oh, so bright. It's like paper white. So the features are it has Wi-Fi. It's 4 GB. Daylight. It's daylight readable touch display. Okay, it's a touch this. Now let's turn it on. Here you go, Kindle. So this Kindle is real good for reading, and it's from Amazon. This is the back end. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please like this video and please subscribe to our channel. Bye.